Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, let's also take a look today at the Bitcoin market. So on the Bitcoin market, recent volatility was significantly narrower, smaller compared to all other markets. So if we'll take a look at the gold, if we'll take a look at the Great British Pound in particular, you'll see the really big sell-off and big return back. On the Bitcoin, it was, well, significantly smaller, and its reaction was tight and makes me think that, well, it's a bit more emotion stands behind this price activity than real change in sentiment of the markets. Because market still stands positive, they is aimed on getting liquidity, support, stimulus sooner or later. But in the short term, the situation stands so that downside reaction could be a bit deeper, and Bitcoin in particular. So if you'll take a look at today's stock market, and Bitcoin, as you know, stands in a tight relation to the stocks. As we estimated previously, those we are reading our weekly reports, monthly reports, our investigation suggests that Bitcoin is treated as just as a risky asset, as the source of liquidity in the difficult times, and very often behaves in the same manner as the stocks. Since stocks haven't got the new stimulus back from the United States government, you can see the sell-off has started. And if previous sessions it was really tight, take a look what's going on today. I will show you what's going on the DAX market in Europe. Here is the 4-hour time frame chart in the stock market, you can see. Also, you could see this on the S&P. It's also downward action has started. And Bitcoin, in some degree, definitely will feel the same type of the price action. And now you can see already something is going. From the technical point of view, since we've got our guided steeple to sell, it suggests that retracement should be still a bit deeper. So at least the 30% support of the whole upward action this market should reach. So that's approximately around 111 area. That's minimum target that market probably should reach. On reaction on the target, because in general, guys, this is not really minus resistance. This is 600 level, accompanied by the ABCD target, so that's agreement resistance. And response to this level probably should be more significant. On the 4-hour time frame chart, here's what is with the trend situation. Trend stands bullish on the daily. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, take a look what we have. Our former scenario, as you can see, was suggesting that on the minor retracement, market should reach either this level or that one. And after that, it should reestablish the upward action. So that has happened on the first touch. It's pulled back. Now you can see market has formed bearish grabber here that suggests the taking out of these lows. And downward action is developing, although it's really stands a bit heavy. It's definitely we could see that market is stubborn on the downward action. It's doesn't like to continue downward action, but the sell-off in stock markets probably, well, some pressure on the market exists, and it could most likely lower. At least we have the guided steeple to sell on the daily, we have the grabber on the 4-hour time frame chart. Both patterns suggest the downward action. And in the current situation, I do not see that it's suitable for taking the long position right now. It would be better to wait a bit more. And I suppose that at least market should, as we said, return back to the 1130, 11 even area. So mostly the same supports that exist in the market are still valid. The one thing that we should do is just adjust it to the new top that has been reached here, because these levels also will climb higher. So currently, as you can see, market stands 1128. The first support has been reached. Next one will be 11 even. And if you'll take a look at the hourly chart, here we could get something on that sort. So ABCD pattern with the target around 11 even, 1110 area. That's the most probable situation that we could get. At least the market will hit this level. It will be a pretty nice support, it will be conference support. and it will be much safer making an attempt to buy right from here compared to the just current situation when both bearish patterns are valid. I mean, grabber and catalyst triple to sold on the daily. When the market will appear in this level, it will be both patterns already will be completed, and market will appear at the strong support. That's using the common sense and probability approach to the market's much better situation for taking the long position. So that being said, overall context stands bullish in general in the market, but we need just to wait to get proper and nice area where we could consider taking the long position. And we think that it should be somewhere around 11.10.